If you take the lake at freeway speeds, you could burn Aqua all the way to the other side. Before they test the waters, first up, it's a dirt bike dress rehearsal. Adam's overflowing with excitement. It's time for the wheels to meet the water.
Here we go.
Just a little bit of a false start.
Jamie's not giving up.
Oh! Nice! I am currently standing in the path our motorcyclist is going to take across the water, and it is 38 inches deep in the middle. If that motorcycle makes it across, it rode on the water. That's official. Here he comes. Whoa! Ah, that worked!